This is day 6, so it's midday, day 6. Um, I didn't sleep that great last night. Again, it was one of those days where there was, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Um, uh, I had a good day yesterday, and I had trouble getting comfortable last night. My leg is just irritated uh, through last night into this morning, and it caused me to wake up and just have problems getting back to sleep. I couldn't get comfortable. My whole leg is aching from the top to the bottom. I haven't done any exercises yet today, but I'm going to do exercises this afternoon. But it's just very sore, achy. Um, it's like muscle ache, like just a deep ache in the leg. So it's a step back when it's 2 steps forward. So I'm dealing with that. I'm just, doing the best I can. I've just been resting it. I laid down most of the morning. I've done some laps around the house, trying to I don't know, just see if that helps. And then I've gone with longer ice pack times. So I've gone up to a half an hour with the ice pack. The ice cube. It's a machine that sends cold water across my knee. So I've been doing that for a longer period of time. There's been some relief there, but again, it gets down to the leg aching and just trying to deal with that feeling and trying to stay ahead of it. Trying to, stay ahead of the pain, the ache. So I haven't had the greatest of luck today trying to stay ahead of it. But I've had some times where it's been good. I'll show you what the leg looks like now. So hold. So this is what my leg looks like right now. So it is just swollen and bruised. I've got bruising going down the calf. So when I'm walking, I'm getting kind of like a shin splint sort of pain. But yeah, it's just bruised and aching, and it's just one of those days. So I've just tried to do the best with the situation that I've got. So you can see there's a little bit of bruising on this side, not as much, but you can see that number's been done on my leg anyway. So just trying to deal with that. Yeah, so this is the end of the 6th day. Like I said previously, this was a harder day. I had more pain in the leg than I did yesterday. It was a constant ache. It didn't, it wasn't sharp pains. It wasn't, putting me into tears or nothing. It was just a constant ache in my leg that was just hard to ignore. And that's how today was. I didn't sleep much last night, so I got a couple hours sleep. I woke up a couple of times. I couldn't get comfortable. Again, I'm sleeping on my back. I was able to do 2 rounds of exercises. I didn't do 3. As this morning, I was in too much pain to contemplate doing it. But I did at lunch, and I did again at dinner, and just worked on it, did it, tried to do everything that I needed to do, and it's just one of those days. Today was a step back, instead of 2 steps forward. It was, yesterday was 2 steps forward, today's the step back. But it's just sore, and I just, just to get rest from, or respite from the pain would be great. But this is all, again, part of the healing process. There's going to be the better days and the not so good days, and eventually all winding down to, walking without any aids and pain-free, which I wasn't doing before. So, having torn my meniscus in the middle of a pandemic, not being able to get in to see a doctor, that injury causing arthritis that ate the cartilage. It's been a long 2.5 years. I've been walking it off because, that's all I could do at the time. And now, I've got a little bit more pain for a shorter period of time. Eventually, I'm hoping that I've got the full range of motion, and no pain. And that's not what was happening the last 2 years. So I am looking forward. I am moving, day by day, step by step, and I'm looking to work through this. And I'm hoping that if I can help anyone and show them what I'm going through, so that they know what to expect, that it's beneficial. Anyway, that is the end of day 6. We'll see you in day 7.